Hello, my name is Dr. Stephen Giannopoulos, and I want to thank you for visiting the brain section of the NYC Future Docs website. In order to learn more about what we do when it comes to helping people who suffer chronic neurological disorders and symptoms. I'm a board-certified chiropractic neurologist, a distinction held by just under 600 doctors worldwide, and only 4 in New York City. In addition, my partner and I, Dr. Michael Grudadoria, have completed hundreds of hours education in functional medicine and neurochemistry. Most importantly, together, we have over 35 years experience in clinical practice. You may not be aware of this, the #1 risk factor for diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's and other degenerative diseases is aging. The fact is, the number of cases of these types of diseases and disorders are going to increase 750% over the next 35 years. This is going to touch virtually every American family. As of now, by the time the earliest signs of diseases like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's occur, it's likely that you've already lost 75% of the neurons in those regions affected, making reversal of the disease or stopping the disease virtually impossible. It's time we start asking different questions about supporting our brain's health. There's a chance that you came across this website because you were told to perform some research for yourself or a family member or friend on brain degeneration or brain disorders. As many of the symptoms have become prevalent in your life, maybe you're here because you just don't feel like yourself and you're looking for answers. Possibly you're concerned for your future because of some family history of these types of disorders. Or you've been diagnosed with chronic fatigue syndrome, obsessive compulsive disorder, fibromyalgia, anxiety, and other brain-based disorders. And your condition has worsened with time because you have not seen results from the medical care that you've been getting. Regardless of what brought you here, we feel extremely fortunate that we have connected. At NYC Future Docs, we have specific methods to assess the health of the single organ that is responsible for every aspect of your health, your brain. At NYC Future Docs, we look at the systems responsible for optimal brain health. That includes 2 components, what we call fuel, which includes oxygen and nutrition, and activation, the environmental experiences we have that activate the brain. The brain cannot tolerate disruption in either one of these factors. When there's a disruption, the outcome is usually very poor. We're able to determine factors that interfere with fuel and activation and offer many methods to improve the system, giving us the best chance at preserving brain function and health. Have you ever wondered, is it possible to identify decline in the brain function before the classic signs of a disease appear? Is it possible for your brain chemistry to improve without dangerous medications, even in the face of family history? The quick answer to these questions is yes. Disorders of the brain, like Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, obsessive compulsive disorder, and the ones I've mentioned above, and some that I haven't mentioned, like post-concussion syndrome, etc., they require 3 factors: genetic factors, biochemical factors, and factors related to activation, or how we experience our environment. All 3 have to be present in order for disorders to occur, kind of like a perfect storm. The good news is you have control over 2 out of the 3, which is enough to dramatically tip the scales in your favor. It is our vision to offer a program that has the potential to dramatically change the quality of life for an individual who suffers with brain disorders, degeneration, or symptoms, and to determine what can be done for those concerned about their future. With this being said, we encourage you to do 2 things now that you've arrived at our website. First, please submit your name, email address below in order to get a research report titled A Starting Point. Secondly, please click on the icon that says Becoming a Patient. In this section, you'll begin to understand the type of clientele that we work with and what it takes to begin the process. Once again, thank you for visiting this section of our website, and we look forward to helping you with your needs. Thank you and have a great day.